the vlog! I've had a busy day at work today, and yeah, I'm home now. There's been a lot of rain, and luckily this time I put all my cushions inside. It's hot summer week, just work. It's very boring, but then again, yeah, so's my life at the moment. I have decided to ditch the sourdough bread for a while because the last one was like a pancake. So I looked up my recipe for a no knead bread. So you just mix everything together, you leave it for about 12 hours and then you bake your bread. And that's what I'm going to do tonight, because that sourdough thing, pretty annoying. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It's not, no. So I'm going to make a normal, well, sort of normal bread and bake it in the morning. Ooh. How is this supposed to become bread? I'm getting really frustrated with my bread right now. This is liquid. How is this supposed to? Okay, let's see if we can salvage this. This is not going to be a bread. This is liquid. I can't turn this into a bowl. I'm done. I am going to make a different bread. Take 2. It's a workout. Making dough. Now, this is what a dough is supposed to look like. I think this one is okay. We'll see in about an hour, because it needs to cool off. I'm not unhappy. I mean, this is a normal bread, so it's not a sourdough. I forgot to take out my butter, so it's really hard. Not gonna put salt on it this time, just to see how it tastes like bread. It is very different than a sourdough. It has less flavor. I absolutely love Vinted. Why? Because this vest I bought for €8. €8. Eight. I bought this vest. Isn't that fantastic? Good morning. I'm on my way to the vet. Not that there's anything wrong with my cats, but I need to get some cat food. And I like to walk, even though I live in a country where there are more bikes than people. I like to walk. So it's about a 20-minute walk, and then I'm gonna go to one of the shopping streets because I found an old watch that needs a new battery. So I'm gonna see if I can get that switched out. This wasn't the best ideas I had. I thought the shop wasn't open yet, so I thought I'd get some coffee, but it took a while and I sat in the sun, except for my head. And I got hot, very hot. So, I have a blister on my feet now, because my shoes are too tight. Do I have a favorite summer color? Yes, 3 things actually. The stripe, the blues, and the butter yellow. Welcome to my summer. I'm trying to write in my journal, but I have a furry problem. Hello, my dear. Good morning on this lovely Friday morning. And I've worked a lot of hours this week, and so I have a couple of extra hours. So I'm probably going to work around until about 2, 3-ish, and then I'm stopping. It's a bit stuffy in here, so I'm going to open a door, but that means that I have to close this one because otherwise my cats will go outside. So. It's stuck at the bottom. The only downside to opening this door is that there is now a lot of noise, but I need some fresh air in my office, so I'll keep the door open for about half an hour, and then after that I will just close it again, but for now it's fine. Sometimes it's very hard to get a lot of things done, especially when this one is lying here. Hi! Good morning on this lovely sunny morning. I'm in front of the courthouse and I'm starting a hike today again. Listen. And this is in the middle of The Hague. I again underestimated the weather, overestimated the weather. I should have just worn a t-shirt. No need for the hoodie. But it's fine. I also have a sleeveless shirt in my backpack just in case, because I sort of anticipated this. I always drive past this, but I've never seen it up close. Peace Palace. I've been very naughty. I skipped a part of the route. It's when you're walking in your own city. I've seen that part, so I think I skipped about 1 kilometer, but I think that's fine. Okay, leg 2 of this track. Just past Central Station in The Hague, and now I'm walking a part of the trail that I've walked before, so I know it well. And so it's another, I don't know, 12 kilometers, 13, something like that. I'm hiking today, and I'm not just hiking. I thought I'm gonna give myself a challenge, because now that I've lost a lot of weight, I need to do a little bit more exercising and stuff, and I didn't really feel like going to the gym right now. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go hiking, because that is something I love to do. And I've set myself a challenge. I am going to hike the Marskramerpad. I'll put the name underneath. And it's about 375 kilometers. It goes from the west to the east. And it's 20 trails you have to walk. And today I'm doing trail number 1. Trail is also a little bit of a symbolic trail, because I wanted to do a long distance one. And this one goes officially from the east to the west, so it starts just over the German border in Bad Bentheim, and it ends in The Hague, Scheveningen. But you can walk it the other way around as well. And I was born in the east, so I thought, how cool would it be to walk from my current city to the area where I was born? And so that's why I'm going to do the other way around, and I'm starting in The Hague and ending up in Germany. I started walking from Central Station. I thought, oh, there are many people who are doing this trail as well, but I seem to have lost them all. I'm by myself again. And there are clouds in the sky. Is it gonna rain? Hopefully not. There aren't many, but some of them are dark enough. How they taste. Okay, still very sour. But I like it when a hiking trail is not busy, because then you can really hear nature and you can really be alone with your own thoughts instead of listening to other people's conversations. So I'm really enjoying myself. The fact that it is so quiet. Well, now there's a plane going over, but most of it's really quiet. Like it. Look at these leaves. They're like the size of my hand. I'm almost at the end. A couple of 100 meters and then I'm at the bus station so that I can go back home. Okay, so I'm at the bus stop. It takes about 20 minutes before the bus is coming because it's only once every half hour, and that's fine. And the thing is, I learned a couple of things today. One, always take napkins with you because, oh my god, my nose was running all the time. Another one, always be prepared for rain, even though if the forecast doesn't say there's going to be rain, make sure you have something against the rain, because even though the clouds blew over today, you might get a rain shower and then you're wet, and so I have to figure out what that's going to be, but for me those are the two most important lessons. And another one for me is not be stubborn, just wear your compression socks all the way up, because that is way less fatiguing for my legs than keeping them down, because I was wearing shorts today and I thought it looked silly, but I'd rather look silly than have aching legs, so that's why compression socks all the way up instead of down. And really look out for restaurants, because I missed a restaurant. There was one, but I missed it, and now I really have to use a bathroom, and it's going to take at least an hour before I'm home, so okay. But it was a great hike, and I'm glad I did this one first. And yeah, so happy with it. To the next one. It's the Sunday morning. I'm not wearing any makeup, but I don't care. My breakfast is on its way. The eggs are boiling. I just got my groceries, and I slept for 12 hours after yesterday. I don't have any muscle aches or anything. I just feel overall fatigued. I don't know, maybe because it was hot, maybe because I have no idea. I slept very well, but I do feel tired physically. So today is going to be a relaxing day. Obviously it's Sunday. So with that, I'm going to end the vlog. Welcome and thank you for joining me again for this chapter, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Okay, I've been hiking now for about 2 hours. I haven't had any coffee, so I'm in desperate need of coffee.